Second phase of a huge expansion project at Intermountain Heber Valley Hospital is complete. So to celebrate, they're inviting you to an open house. Here to talk all about the event is Cy Hutt. He's an administrator at the Intermountain Heber Valley Hospital. Hello, thanks for joining us.
It's my pleasure.
Let's talk about this event happening on Tuesday. A lot of cool things going on. We'll talk about the renovation and how people can explore that. But talk about the emergency preparedness aspect of it, kind of checking out the new digs. What can people expect?
Well, we partnered with our agencies around the area to really make it an emergency preparedness fair. So there'll be a lot of information there, a lot of good resources there. You can come get a flu shot. But we also want people to see the new areas and have a little bit of fun with it. So,
okay, talk to me about this teddy bear clinic, because this is something I've not heard of much. I think it's a cool idea.
You know, if your child has a stuffed animal that's maybe seen better days, could use a little stitching, could use a little love, have them bring it with them, and you can come into the clinic and we'll stitch it up.
I love that.
It's really a way that, you know, when you have to go to healthcare, sometimes it can be scary. So if a child's done a dry run with that, with their stuffed animal, and it's gone well, and they see there's friendly people, it can really help.
And then also an interactive operating room, so we can kind of get a feel for what goes on in there.
Well, you know, even if you've had a surgery, you don't really remember what the OR was like.
Yeah, exactly.
So, yeah, we want to take the mystery away from that, have people come in, check it out, see what kind of equipment we have in there, what we do. If a child wants to gown up and be the doctor, we can accommodate that as well.
I think that's so great. Now talk about the expansion, because a lot of work has been going on at your facility, really improving it more than ever before.
It really is. It's a 3-year expansion. It's a $41 million expansion that Intermountain's invested on the Wasatch Back. There's really 4 pieces that we've just opened up. So the first is our same-day surgery area. We've expanded it. More people are choosing to have surgery on the Wasatch Back as we bring in more specialists. And we've also made it more family-friendly. It's a little more private than it used to be. The second phase is our kitchen and dining room. It used to be in the back of the hospital, kind of tucked away, and now we've put it front and center, just right next to our entrance. Updated menu, a lot of healthy options.
Which is very important for people who might be visiting.
That's right, exactly, and you can sample those that menu Tuesday night. But nutrition is such an important part of healthcare. We really wanted to focus on that.
I love that. Now talk about, this is such a great opportunity for the Heber community. They've got all these services, and they will have even more services as the renovation continues.
That's right. We want to make sure that we're prepared for today and tomorrow. You know, a big part of this is our medical group clinic, and we're done with about 2/3 of that clinic, as we really ran out of space. We brought in more primary care physicians, more specialists, and we're preparing for the future with telehealth, because it's not that far down the road where you'll be able to do your follow-up visits without having to drive down to the valley.
Which is great.
Yeah, which will be wonderful, just there through the telehealth monitor.
I love it. And you're really serving that community, so they don't have to come drive down here to the valley. They've got everything right there in their own backyard.
It's so important to connect with a primary care physician who knows you, knows your family, knows your circumstance, and can guide that care. And we want to provide that service locally. Okay,
so remind everyone again, Tuesday, what's the plan? Where should they be coming?
That's right. So it's 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Tuesday night, November 12th. You can come either from 1500 South or 1200 South, and we'll have a lot of booths and activities and fun there.
I love it. Emergency preparedness, and bring those teddy bears so
That's
they can get stitched up.
Exactly.
Thanks so much for joining us. We do
you.
appreciate it. For more information, do go to our website, abc4.com.